Do you know how to wrap text onto a photo, for example, on a picture of a banana? If you don't know, don't worry. Immediately, in the simplest and fastest way, I will teach you how to achieve a very realistic banana text effect. On the background layer, once the subject is selected, we need to duplicate it. The next step is to select the subject again from the background layer, but this time, right-click and choose Delete to fill the selections. Now we have the banana without a background and a solid blue color in the background. It's time to write banana in large letters and with a bold font. Make it positioned like mine, and follow the next settings similar to mine. Convert it to Smart Object. Finally, duplicate the layer with the banana and the layer place it above the text, and create a clipping mask. Now, select the banana layer from the background and erase it, similar to what I did. To make it more realistic, we need to add a shadow. First, merge the layers and go to Blending Options. Apply a drop shadow with settings similar to mine. Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together.